Hi everyone. Apple released the iOS 14.3 update to the public today and it has come with a size of over 600 MB for my iPhone 11. This size might vary based on the device you are using, and if you have a iPhone 6s or later, then you will be able to download and install this update. Along with the iOS 14.3, Apple also released the iPadOS 14.3 and the watchOS 7.2. This update has come with a bunch of new features and couple of bug fixes. To check the update, go to the setting, then go to general and tap on software update. If your device is eligible, then you will see the update there. In the earlier betas, this update was really performing well and it is same as the iOS 14.3 Golden Master release candidate 2. Now let's find out what are the new features and the bug fixes happened in this iOS 14.3 update. In this update, they have added the Apple Fitness Plus where you can get best trainers around the world train you for your workout. This is a subscription based service and you can get 1 month of free trial. Right now it is not available in India. To get all the benefits of Apple Fitness, you should have an Apple Watch Series 3 or later running on watchOS 7.2 and iOS 14.3 or iPadOS 14.3 or tvOS 14.3. Now if you open the fitness app, you will see the Fitness Plus tab added to it in the bottom, which is not yet added for the Indian users. Next, they have added support for the AirPods Max in this iOS 14.3. If you have a AirPod Max, you can connect that with your iPhone like the AirPods or the AirPod Pro. Next, Apple has added the Pro RAW feature to the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. And they have added the PAL format for videos where you can shoot videos in 25 frames per second. And if you have an older iPhone starting from the iPhone 6s, they have added the option for mirror front camera, which is a good news for the iPhone 6s or later user. Also, Apple has updated the music app and now you can see an animated artist cover pic in the music app if you have the music subscription. So that is another new thing Apple has added to the music app in iOS 14.3. Next, in the iOS 14.3, Apple also added the new privacy option in the App Store for each and every individual app. You can now be able to see what data is being tracked by that app, like your contact info, location, etc. Soon, this will be available for all the apps as Apple pushing its developer to implement this. The next feature Apple has added in this iOS 14.3 update is for the support for app clips, and now you will be able to scan a Apple designed code using your camera app and you will be able to use the app without even installing it on your mobile. Right now it is not available in many places and soon we are going to see the app clip implementation in most of the places. In iOS 14.3, Apple has updated the TV app. Now you have a separate tab for the Apple TV Plus and also a separate tab for your Apple original shows and movies. Also in this iOS 14.3, Apple has improved the search and the search works better than earlier versions. Next, they have added new search engine to Safari in this iOS 14.3. If you go to your setting, then go to Safari and tap on search engine, you will see Ecosia, a new search engine added now along with the Bing, Yahoo, Google and DuckDuckGo search engine. Next, Apple has also updated the weather app in this iOS 14.3 update. If you go to the weather app and scroll down, you will see an option for air quality for your location. Also, you can get more info by tapping on the more option below. That is the new thing they have added in this iOS 14.3. Next, Apple has also updated the health app in this iOS 14.3. If you go to the health app, now they have added option to track the health related data at the time of your pregnancy. You can enter the details there, and these data you can use when you consult a doctor. Also, they have added option for ECG and cardio fitness level based on your activity. For ECG and cardio fitness level, you need a Apple Watch Series 6 at least. So friends, these are some cool new features Apple has added in this iOS 14.3 update. Along with the new feature, there are a bunch of bug fixes happened in this update, and they have fixed some of the major bugs which were present in the iOS 14.2 or earlier. If you had the notification issue for the messages app, that is being fixed in this update, and notifications are coming properly now for the messages app. Apart from that, they have also updated the modem firmware for better connectivity. If you had any connectivity issue with your mobile like call drops or Wi-Fi issue, then that is also fixed in this update. After that, Apple has also addressed the battery bug which was causing the battery to drain for many of the users in the iOS 14.2 or earlier versions. Now the battery backup seems to be good, and there is minimal ideal battery drain so far. For me, I have been using from past 1 day, and I have noticed a minimal battery drain for my iPhone 11. Also, the battery backup has been improved in the iPadOS 14.3. If you were facing the battery drain issue in your iPad, then now you will get much more improved battery life after updating to the iPadOS 14.3 for your iPad. Overall, this iOS 14.3 update seems very good and stable so far in my usage. If you ask me whether you should update it or not, then definitely you should update to the iOS 14.3 update in your mobile for better stability, better battery life, and better connectivity. So that's it related to the iOS 14.3 update. Hope you enjoyed. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.